Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone showing suddenly battery health service in iPhone. So guys, if you're also facing this issue and you are unable to fix it, here I will show you how can you fix this issue with simple methods. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that you have to simply force restart your device for one time. So guys, for that, press and release the volume up button and then down and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply update your device to the latest version. So guys, for that, go to your profile and then go to general and then go to software update and update your software to the latest version. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply reset all settings of your device. So guys, go to general again, scroll it below and go to transfer reset iPhone and then tap on reset and reset all settings of your iPhone for one time. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there and if the message persists, calibrate the battery by draining it to 0% and charging to 100% uninterrupted. If health is below 80% or hardware is damaged, a replacement is necessary. So guys, you have to simply replace your device if all these methods doesn't work, and once you replace your battery, after this hopefully this message will disappear and your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.